I know what you're thinking. UK, US, Germany, सब वही जा रहे हैं. But what if I told you there's a country where you can breathe clean air, actually afford rent, study in world-class universities and still get a shot at PR without running the visa rat race? That country is New Zealand, and today I'm going to tell you why the smartest students in 2026 are actually choosing it. Hi everyone, I'm Harnoor Chawla, your guide from World edX, and this video is going to answer all your questions, step by step. No fluff, no pressure, just facts. Grab a notebook because this 10-minute guide could change your life. In this video, we'll quickly cover the intakes and timelines, cost of education, top courses, scholarships, placements, average salary, and visa process. Now, why New Zealand? New Zealand is not your PR country. It's your peace, career, and PR combo. Here, the visa approvals are smoother, employers actually hire international students. Not only this, it's an English-speaking country which is also safe for women. The education system is practical-based and not pressure-based. So this is the only country where you can complete an assignment in the morning and be at a beach by sunset. Step 1. Intakes in New Zealand. New Zealand has two major intakes for international students, the primary intake and the secondary intake. Primary intake is for the month of February and the secondary intake is for the month of July. अगर आप लोग February intake में जाते हो तो you will get number of programs and the chances of scholarship is also high. But if you're going for the July intake, remember, few programs are available, but it's still strong. So if you want to go to New Zealand in February 2026, remember to apply by July 2025 to October 2025. And if you are going for the July intake, remember you can apply by February 2026 to April 2026, whatever works for you. So if you're planning to go to New Zealand, here's how I can help you for the February intake 2026. Between June to August 2025, you can choose your course and your university. Remember that in the same duration, you have to prepare for IELTS also. From July to September, you have to give your IELTS or PT, whatever you have chosen. And then from July to October, remember that you have to apply to universities. Jan 2026, you'll get your visa and your ticket. Feb, fly and start a new life. People delay IELTS and lose 6 months. Don't be that person. Also, once you've submitted your application, the offer letter timeline depends on the university. For some universities, it can come within few days, and for others, it might take 3 to 4 weeks. So don't panic if it takes time. After you'll receive your offer letter, you are required to apply for medical and PCC. PCC is Police Clearance Certificate. For the medical, most students are required to get their chest X-ray done, and the approved clinics will be on the immigration website. For the PCC, just go to Passport Seva Kendra website, book your slot, submit your biometrics, and it will get delivered to your home address within 3 to 4 working days. Step 2. Top courses that actually gets you job. Remember, don't waste your time on random degrees. Here's what's booming in New Zealand. The first one we have is IT and AI. Next is nursing and healthcare, construction and project management, food tech and wine science, environmental and marine science, tourism and aviation, plus you have great scope for teachers. These aren't just trending, they lead you to work visas and PR. Step 3, let's talk about financials. क्योंकि अब्रॉड जाने का सपना पैसों से ही शुरू होता है और पैसों पे ही आके अटक जाता है. अब आप ये सोच रहे होंगे, ये सब तो ठीक है, पर पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? स्कॉलरशिप मिलती भी है या सिर्फ बोलने की बात है? Wait, let me break it down for you. Tuition fees, क्या expect करें? So if you're going for the bachelor's degree, the average salary would be around 9 to 15 lakhs per year. And if you're going for the master's program, the average salary would be between 15 to 25 lakhs. ये फीस UK और USA के कंपैरिजन में बहुत बैलेंस्ड है और क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन भी टॉप क्लास है बिकॉज द क्लासेस आर ऑफ स्मॉल साइज एंड यू विल गेट पर्सनलाइज सपोर्ट. अब बात करते हैं हर महीने का बजट. योर रेंट, फूड, ट्रैवल एंड मिसलेनियस वुड कॉस्ट यू समवेयर अराउंड 20K न्यू जीलैंड डॉलर्स. अगर इसको इंडियन करेंसी में कन्वर्ट करें तो इट वुड बी अराउंड 10 lakhs to 11 lakhs. बट हियर्स द गुड न्यूज़. You can work 20 hours per week, and if you have the semester break, you can work for 40 hours. New Zealand pays 23 to 24 New Zealand dollars per hour. So अगर आप लोग सेंसिबली काम करें तो रेंट और खाने का खर्चा आप खुद निकाल सकते हो बिना घर पे पैसे मांगे. Coming to step 4, acceptance rate. Is it easy to get in? University of Auckland, University of Otago, University of Canterbury, Victoria University of Wellington, mostly in Sabka acceptance rate is somewhere around 65 to 75%. So if you have strong academics, IELTS, a good SOP, you have high chances of acceptance. Because UK or US के comparison में New Zealand is more welcoming to international students. Step 5, placement reality. When it comes to placement, New Zealand is a bit different. But university offers you career support, industry tie-ups, and job fairs along with mentorship programs. One thing that I want you to focus is your recommendation and your networking. Connect with the alumni who are posted at top companies and they can help you get jobs without giving interviews. So overall, job आपको खुद ढूंढनी पड़ती है, but unis give you the tools. Step 6, average salary after graduation. So freshers in New Zealand earn somewhere between 50,000 New Zealand dollars to 65,000 New Zealand dollars. It would be around 25 to 35 lakhs annually. And it also depends on your course, your work experience, and the city you are living in. So if you're in Auckland or Wellington, you'll get much higher pay. Step 7, scholarships, जो real में मिल सकती है. यहाँ के scholarships सिर्फ brochures के लिए नहीं होते. You actually stand a chance. So we have 2 basic scholarships for Indian students, and the first one is NZEA, that is New Zealand Excellence Awards. It is for both UG and PG students, and you can get up to 10,000 New Zealand dollars as tuition waiver. The other one is University of Auckland International Student Excellence Scholarship. It is for high academic achievers, and again you'll get as 10,000 New Zealand dollars. अब आप ये सोच रहे होंगे how to win a scholarship. Remember, you need to apply at least 6 to 12 months in advance. Another thing that you have to keep in mind is you must have 60 to 70% in your academics. Next is your IELTS and PT score, preferred 7 bands होता है, and your SOP should tell your real story. Mostly students lose out not because they're not eligible, but they apply late or they copy paste the SOP. Step 8, visa and documents. Visa का डर सबको लगता है, but New Zealand is transparent if you are honest. Now what you'll need is offer letter, IELTS or PTA, proof of funds, medical clearance, PCC, and SOP or ID proof. Now, please make sure that your funds are sorted. And to understand this, you can watch our latest podcast that we have linked below. Coming back to the topic, if you want career stability, fast PR, and job demand, look into New Zealand's Green List courses. These are the fields where New Zealand actually needs talent, like IT, healthcare, engineering, teaching, and even environmental science. अगर आप इन फील्ड्स में पढ़ाई करते हो तो ना सिर्फ आपको जॉब मिलेगी बट आपका पीआर का रास्ता भी फास्ट हो जाएगा. सो ऑलवेज चेक इफ योर कोर्स लीड्स टू अ ग्रीन लिस्ट जॉब बिकॉज दैट्स वेयर द रियल अपॉर्चुनिटी लाइज. अगर अभी कोई कंफ्यूजन है या हेल्प चाहिए फ्रॉम कोर्स सिलेक्शन टू वीजा फाइलिंग, Worldlyrics is here for you. Comment your questions below, share this video with your friends, and hit that subscribe button if you want more clear and complete study guides. This is Harnoor Chawla, your study abroad guide from Worldlyrics, signing off with one reminder. Your dream deserves a real plan. Let's build it together.